रोहित, काल पावस पडलो आणि 18 जून रोड आणि एन रोडान पेणजी आहा पळय ते फ्लड जाली. इवन बस स्टँडार सुद्धा फ्लडिंग जालें. सो कशें कितें तुवें सांगिल्लें की एश्युरन्स दिल्लो की फ्लडिंग जावचें ना म्हणून ह्या वर्सा.
That is one thing. So I had called my staff also. Now, what you're saying, there was a combination of high tide and heavy rain. See, if there's high tide, means our inlet only level is blocked, so that I cannot do anything about. Now, when I went today for inspection, also now they are telling me that opposite the police office, the sewage department has built 3 chambers. Those 3 chambers have encroached on our drain. So now we are opening up that road just to check and see whether any damage has been caused to that drain. So once we check that, then everything should be okay. So I'll get that. See, Regoba, we have not. I have not looked at Regoba as of now. Because that full road has to be broken to connect to the drain. So that now during this monsoon it will not be possible to get done. And Pato also, there was a plan that we had given through PWD and it was rejected by finance department. So that also we're trying to get done. So for Pato, all the road levels were supposed to be done, all the pavers, all the outlet level, everything was supposed to be done in that one file. So that file was returned by finance department. So we're trying to get it processed again.
सो ते डिगिंग आता करतली काय
See
आफ्टर
now,
monsoon?
no, I want to do. If it's 18 June, then I want to do it now only. No, see, I cannot expect shopkeepers to suffer now because of this. Now, if there has been encroachment on the drain by the department, then we will have to rebuild that portion of thing. So that I have told my staff to start working on it, now. So hopefully that issue will be.
And near the Rego bar.
Rego, I have to break the full road. Means both sides of the road.
After
That is after monsoon. That is now. Because that is not affecting people too badly. This 18 June road, all the water is going in the shops and everything. So Regoba I'll have to do after the monsoon. And on Pato, if the government approves the file, then we can get it done immediately. So it is pending only because of that. Because that Pato file is 10 crores or 15 crores or whatever it is. All the drain levels, pavers, footpaths, everything was supposed to be done. So that file has been rejected by finance. So we want to get it approved again. Just to see what the thing is.
सर अजून पाऊस खूप उरला सर केन्नाच्यान कामाक स्टार्ट
See, I have told my staff to start the work from tomorrow. So let them break open those sections of road and everything and check and see what the issue is. So if whatever needs to be repaired, we'll repair it immediately and reinstate the road. We don't want the same issue. See, if it's high tide also now, see, there are certain things I can do and certain things I cannot do. Now, if it's a high tide with heavy rain also, I will not be able to do. Because the moment it stopped raining, the water left within 5 minutes or 10 minutes or something like that. Right? So there was no issue with the drain itself. But with the chamber, then that flow rate might have slowed down. So we want to open that and check. So that I want to apologize also to all the shopkeepers. I know I had given my word and everything, but we're working on it to make sure that it gets. See, that road also now is all coming under smart city. Means 3 roads are being taken up now. So the AB road, whatever 18 June road, AB road, and that Pisuleka road. So whatever roads are left, those are coming out now under smart city. Means maybe after the monsoons, maybe September, October, something like that, it's going to start. I think secretary will give you details. I mean, Smart City MD will give you details about that. But all of those drains, everything will be covered. So as of now, these are only temporary measures. So once that work starts, then hopefully there should be no issue. See, ever since we've taken office now, we have worked on every single area in Pancham. Now even Stella Marie, when we worked on Stella Marie used to flood. This time we've opened that full road. Stella Marie this year there were no issues at all. So wherever there are issues, we're working on it. So wherever we have made a mistake, now I want to apologize to the people. Like 18 June, if we flooded, I accept responsibility. I am not shaking away from any of that. Which is why we're opening up those roads. And if anything can be done now, we will do it now itself. Same, we will handle Rego Bar and anything else also. It comes after that.
कितल्या टाइम पडले की ते गंजीने प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स आणि खूपसे
See, that also has become, see, littering also is, see now, that now we have no solution now. We've been asking people to stop littering also now. No, see, my staff are there every day in the morning. My staff are not littering. Now, I'm not saying everybody, but say even if 20% of the population does it or 10%, it is becoming a huge problem for us. Like even our segregation centers, if you see the amount of garbage that is there at the segregation centers in the morning, it is horrible. And it is my staff that has to go through all of that. So all of those plastics obviously is going to the drain. So that also is causing problems. So we're just appealing to people.
What happened to the Miramar Circle?
See, Miramar Circle, first of all that sand comes in and blocks all the drains and the level only is off. So because of that also now we have to check and see. See, these are the only 2-3 areas that are left now. So these areas also at least say hopefully by next year I want to get resolved. So after monsoon I'll start working on
new drain करवायचे
where
Maxon to Miramar.
that also Smart City is doing. Sorry, that Smart City is doing. So see, there are 2 drains. One is from Dusa Circle till Bal Bhavan and Bal Bhavan till Miramar. So that also will be sanctioned by Smart City. I have to check and see. There was some delay again, I think with finance or something. But that also will be taken up sometime this year. So then also should
But
be.
18 June road is under the smart city. Or
No, that was not. That is what I'm saying. No, that part was not being done. See that one road from outside the police department. That is a main road that goes to the river. So now if that is blocked, then that becomes a problem because that is the main outlet drain. See, we had opened up the road next to 108. That is because that was choked. So we had raised, we raised the level of that. So there is an issue little ahead. So that's why we're breaking the road to check and see what the problem is.
so this issue will be solved.
Yeah, hopefully it should be resolved now only because this is the see, last year and all there was no issue. So this year I want to know what the problem was because it hardly rained for 15 minutes heavily and it flooded. So I want to know what the problem is also now.
Last time it